I've been in banking now for like 30 years already. It's been a wonderful, wonderful career for me because I've been able to help a lot of first-time home buyers, jump into that dream of home ownership and, being a part of that dream for them and helping them from the very start and walking them through the whole process to the signing table is wonderful. I like to sit down with the customer. I usually tell them, bring along your income statements, your pay stubs, tax returns, what debts they might have. And we sit down and we find a comfortable payment for them. What's comfortable for you? And then we work backwards and decide, okay, based on that payment, this is about how much you can afford. And then they then can start looking for a home in that amount that we calculated out. We pre-qualify a customer based on their income, their assets. We look at their length of employment. We look at how much of a down payment can they afford. We have so many programs that they could come in with zero down. And then from there, we then can find a program that would most fit their financial situation. Be sure to get a home inspection on the property, just so there's no surprises, to even see if there's a survey for the property. Make sure you know where the lot lines are, and also to see if it's in a flood zone. Because if it's in a flood zone, that also increases your monthly payment. So because that insurance is expensive. One important thing is once you're going through the pre-qualification process, do not go out and get a department card from like Macy's, just because there's an inquiry now on your credit report. And so now we have to account for that payment as well. So not go out and buy anything just because that could change the whole process of your pre-qualification, because then now you were looking at affording this much of a house, but now that this car payment is here, it's going to decrease what you can afford. So I tend to tell them I would not buy anything until this home purchase is done. They can find someone that can help them through the whole process. It's wonderful, and it gives me that happiness as well, to get them into that home